morning and happy Sunday. The rain has moved out, but the wind that moved in yesterday, it's still here. We're going to deal with really strong winds for the afternoon. So a high near 50 will feel like it's closer to 40 degrees, but at least it's sunny and dry. Sunny and dry for your Monday. Next chance of rain is Tuesday, and we have a bigger storm arriving for Thanksgiving Day.
We have two systems that we're watching, one for Tuesday and then, of course, more of a focus on the Thursday, Friday storm. But this is something that could definitely slow down travel. I know Tuesday is a big travel day here locally, but throughout much of the country. So this storm that's moving in for Tuesday is a quick mover. It doesn't contain as much rainfall as what we saw with the last storm, where we did see several days of half an inch to inch rain. This is going to likely bring just about half an inch to our area as it approaches on Tuesday morning and then quickly moves out of here by Tuesday later in the afternoon. Then we're focusing in on Thursday. So you can see as we move toward Wednesday night, we're just starting to see some signs of mixed precipitation moving into the Midwest. That gets a little closer to home though by Thursday on Thanksgiving Day. So I would expect at this point the trend for us to be wet for Thanksgiving Day and likely for much of the day as well. The trend here also is for much of our 95 travel to be wet in terms of rainfall. The likelihood for snow mixing in now starting to shift farther northwest with the latest trends this morning. So we are seeing the likelihood for mixing and snow actually sticking into the highest of elevations into the mountains of northern New England and moving out toward the Berkshires. And it's something we'll be watching until late Friday night before it departs heading into our weekend. So it is going to be an active week for us for sure. You can see that best chance of snow sticking northwest of Boston and even northwest of 495. Rainfall projection is just about an inch with this storm for Thursday, Friday. So this is going to be a juicier storm, definitely a higher moisture content, something that we could use considering the drought conditions, although the timing, of course, is inconvenient. Our last storm is now departing to the northeast, so we're feeling the wind on the back end of that. It is gusty out there with wind gusts between 30 to 40 miles per hour. That is making our temperatures right now in the 40s, which already is cool, feel even cooler with feel-like temperatures or the wind chill index stuck in the 30s for many spots. It actually feels like 34 in Jaffrey at this moment. Wind gusts near 40 throughout the rest of this afternoon, so with a high near 50, I would plan on it feeling like it's close to the low 40s today. We are mostly sunny for this afternoon, and that's going to be the trend again tomorrow. The wind's not as much of a factor tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit calmer, but it is going to be a day where we stay in the low 50s, so not too dissimilar from today temperature-wise. Here's a closer look at the timeline of showers on Tuesday. I think a lot of focus is on that Thursday, Friday storm, but don't let this one fool you, because as it first moves in on Tuesday morning, there may be a few spots that are slick north of Boston, especially with some of your Route 2 travel and traveling northward on 95. Otherwise, this is a pure rainmaker, and it does pick up in intensity late morning on Tuesday into the early afternoon. But wow, by 2 o'clock, this is already moving out. So really quick to jog through the area, which is why rainfall totals should stay below half an inch. Not as much of an impact from what we saw with the rain over the last couple of days. Our Wednesday is looking dry, sunny, and windy. Then we get into that rain for Thanksgiving Day on Thursday with shower chances into Friday. Cold and blustery for Saturday. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Kellyanne.